Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the first segment of my September haul. I really need to use some of these things and really want to, so I'm going to show them to you real quick, and then I will show you another segment when I get a few more things in. But I'm excited to show you these things that I have so far. They're so beautiful. Lots of fall things and this beautiful cover. Okay, let's just jump right into it. All right, I'm gonna start with the stickers because they're just so pretty. So let me move everything over here and let's get right on into it. So these are from Alicia, Michelle XO. She has gorgeous stickers and I'm really excited to use these. I was looking for some fall stickers for my plum paper vertical priorities, and these are just perfect. So starting with the first one, this is called Nude Bones, and I'm going to use this one with this sheet, which is called Nude Pumpkins. They'll go really well together and it's going to be super fun. And then this one is Little Baddie, super cute. I don't know if I'm going to have this one in like a weekly spread or if I'm going to use it on the monthly. I was just kind of grabbing things and I have even more here and more coming. I definitely overbought, which is my bad. Like, I just wasn't keeping track of it and using my spreadsheet like I'm supposed to. But lots of cute stickers. I might even throw some of these into my teacher planner. Then we have Falling, super pretty. This would go really well in my teacher planner. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and set that aside for that purpose. I've got Funky Book Shapes. This is another one that goes with the color scheme of my teacher planner. So I'm going to put that over there. Then I've got Pumpkin Spice, these cute little quotes. So cute. You could use these on any spread. And then Bad Witch, which is just so cute. All right, that's everything from Alicia Michelle XO. Let's go to Jessica Hearts. She basically makes an appearance in every single one of my hauls, but I just love her kits, and now she's doing journaling kits, which is awesome. This one is the Practical Magic Mini. I accidentally sent this to someone that I had bought a gift for, and thankfully she was like, yeah, I'll send it to you. So I just Venmo'd her the cost of it, and she thankfully sent this to me because it was sold out, so I couldn't buy it again. Here is the little freebie for August. This is so cute. This is one of my favorite movies ever, but definitely my favorite Halloween movie. And this totally like encompasses the whole vibe of the movie. Really, really cute. Fun colors. I love the pop of the purple. Bottom washi, so pretty. And then you get an extra box here, which is great. This is our mini kit version, and this version is great for my memory planning. And then I got this kit called Rainy Day Cozy Night. It's a journaling kit. This is on matte paper, and it is a 2-page kit. Really, really cute. Love the color scheme, and I really like that she does bigger deco and then a few smaller pieces that I can fit in. And then she does washi strips and the torn strips, like just good variety in here. And I'm really enjoying her kits in my plum paper. Then we've got Fox and Pip. You know I love her shop. These are probably my favorite stickers along with Fox and Cactus. And I love them so much. And I got a big fat stack. I didn't really mean to get this many, but she was doing like a free shipping sale. I can't remember, some kind of sale. And I got all of her new stuff. So I got this little thank you freebie, which is adorable. Love that. And then I grabbed some more of the Build Your Squad stickers, specifically for my teacher planner. I'm like really enjoying that planner right now, and I just want to use a few more decorative things in there, and I just thought these would be perfect to fit in really anywhere. Really cute. Then here is the mini version of the Boo Laundry, like super cute. I think that's what this one's called. She doesn't put the names on the mini sheets, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I got Yoga Mat. I like this one because it's shorter. Like I love her yoga stickers, but they're really tall, and like the other one is long. And so this will be perfect for when I don't have that much space. I've got Lesson Plan, so that's another one I need to set aside. Send Help. I got this one for my teacher planner as well. Organize Stickers. Oopsie Daisies. This is so cute, and I'm going to use this for like lesson plans that didn't go so well, and I'm going to mark this so that when I look back next year I can tell. I've got Meeting Time. All of these that I'm setting down are going to my teacher planner. I've got Hello, I'm Basic, really cute. Book the Trip. And then these are the yoga stickers, which I love these. They're just kind of like different shapes. And so I kind of need these, the other ones, these guys, for just some variety. I've got number 2 pencil, so cute. Hello Sunshine. Coffee Break, which I got these, and Busy Busy, which these are both repeat purchases, just in a different hair color. And I got those for my teacher planner as well. So lots of fun purchases from Fox and Pip. Really, really excited to use some of those in my teacher planner. Then I have a big order from Lexi Kylie Designs. This was a $2 Tuesday, I think. And it looks like she wrote me a note that I didn't even see when I unpacked this. Okay, here's the little freebie, really cute. And then, oh, she said she threw in her newest journaling kit and she hopes I love it. I'm not going to show you this because it has my address on it, but thank you so much to Lexi. That's so sweet. So this is the one she's talking about. It's called Fairy Tale. It's really pretty. This wouldn't necessarily be one that I would pick out, but I really, really love her journaling kit style. It's like perfect. So really, really appreciate her throwing this in. It's really pretty. I like the butterflies. I might have to use this actually now that I'm looking at it again. Wouldn't this be pretty in like February? Yeah, I'm going to set this aside for that. Okay, then I got just a bunch of stickers again for my teacher planner. I have some of these already, but I love how tiny they are. They're just perfect in my teacher planner. So, and I got all of the, oh, I forgot to get that one in the neutral format, but I tried to get all of them in the neutral. So let me show you what I got. So I got little neutral laptops. I got 2 of those. Stacked books, and I forgot to get this in the neutral colorway, but that's okay. I'll still use them. Neutral bows, bow paper clips. 2 pages of those. Iced coffee, so cute. 2 of those too. Really cute. Running shoes. I got these specifically to mark sports stuff. So we've got cross country going on. So I've got some other ones in here I'll show you later. The push pins, which I already have a sheet of these, but I've been using them a lot. Same as the speech bubbles. So I got another one of those. And same with the light bulbs. Little alarm clocks. I thought these would be cute for meetings. And then I got little footballs, basketballs, baseballs, and that's it. I just love the size of these. They're so great, and the quality is awesome. It's on her premium matte paper, so always great. Okay, that's everything from Lexi Kylie Designs. And then let's go to Sadie's stickers. I got 2 kits, no, 3 kits, I think. A couple of journaling kits and then a full kit. Okay, so this one is called November 2022. So she does a themed monthly kit. It comes in like all of her different formats and it's really beautiful. This one is just so different from other fall kits that I have seen. I love the yellow with the blue. You get touches of orange, but those are the 2 main colors, and I just thought this would be so fun to work with. I also got Haunting. Oh, I also picked up the big deco sheet. This is supposed to be for the monthly spread, but I thought it would be kind of cute to use the deco in my weekly planner. Okay, this one is called Haunting. I thought this was really fun. It's got just really dark colors, but you also have like a lightness to it because with the gray, it's just really pretty. I got the boxes as well and the extra deco, which I thought was interesting. Okay, then I have this kit called Raindrops. It's so beautiful. Oh, I just love this one, the color scheme, everything. Okay, so here are the full boxes. You can kind of see some of the foiling there. It's in rose gold. So pretty. And then we have lots of boxes. Bunch of functional things and header options, and the bottom washi is so pretty. Like her foiling is gorgeous. Her and Letters to Apollo always knock it out of the park. So that is Raindrops, so pretty. And then I have a monthly kit from Nikki Plus 3 for October. Okay, we have a little freebie here, some deco, and then some day covers in a pale pink and gold. And then this little functional piece here. And then I have the kit. So this is the Is this a freebie? I think this was a freebie with my order. So it's got lots of little fall things on it. Super cute. Could definitely go with this kit. So I might just like tuck it in with this. Here is the October monthly. So pretty. Again, just like the blues with the yellows and oranges. I'm just kind of feeling that this fall. Here is the sidebar sticker. So pretty. And then the scripts for the monthly spread. I like to keep these. The ones that I don't use, I will use them later. Then we've got the date dots, full boxes, some functional pieces here. Really pretty. And then you get tons of boxes and functional deco as well. All foiled. So beautiful. All right, that is the October monthly for or from Nikki Plus 3. And then I have a new to me shop. I always like trying new shops, but I don't get out of my comfort zone that often. Trying to be better about it. So we have a little card here from Taylor Ryan Designs. I have been following her shop for a little bit, and I finally decided to order because she just has such beautiful stickers. Okay, so these are all Halloween themed, if I remember right. Let me get them out. Okay, so here is a little freebie that came with the kit, little washi strips. Super cute. And then I just grabbed some things to try. I didn't get a whole lot, but I just wanted to try out her shop. And these are just so pretty and really my style. So we got some flowers here. And then this Halloween sheet and this one as well. I think I'm going to put these together. I think that'll be kind of fun. And then this one with the little embroidery. So cute. I'm going to put these with my quote stickers. And then this one I thought was so pretty. Very fallish, but could also be kind of winter and spring. So cute. So not a lot from the shop, but I just wanted to try her out, and I'm so excited to because these are so different and fun. I don't see anyone else doing like stickers like this. So really excited to try out Taylor Ryan Designs. And then lastly, I have a new cover from EC from the Edivi line. It is so pretty. I feel like I've just said like so pretty and so beautiful a million times in this haul, but really, really beautiful. It's not foiled, but it looks like it is. And it really reminds me of like a canyon or like a desert, like just so pretty. But then you have like the fun patterns and the fun colors. I'm going to pop this onto my teacher planner or my memory planner. I can't decide yet, but it is so pretty, and I like all of the designs from this line, but this one specifically just really jumped out at me. So love this. That's everything for this segment of the haul. I will be back to show you some more. This is part 2 of my September haul, and I have lots of markers to show you and some new pens and some stickers and a notebook. So let's get right on into it. Let's go to, I don't know, let's do stickers first because these are super cute from Alicia Michelle XO. There is her card that comes with the order. And then these are the ones that I got. So some Halloween stickers and some fall stickers. Okay, so I got this one called Lorelei, and this one is called Rory. So they're quotes from Gilmore Girls. Really, really cute. I love these. And her handwriting is so beautiful. Then I've got these called Autumn Plaid. So pretty. I'm thinking these in November. And then a couple of Halloween stickers. I think I bought too many. I didn't mean to, but it just happened. I've got this with book page ghosts. This would be really cute in my teacher planner, so I might take that to school. And then this one is called Haunted House. Really, really cute. I love the doors. And this one might go to school too because it's kind of got some neutral colors in it besides the green. And I think the green might go with my theme as well. So those might end up in my teacher planner, but they're really cute. Okay, that's everything from Alicia Michelle XO. Then let's go to markers. Okay, I've got quite a few here. I made a little Michael's trip because one of my students who's in my planner club, their planner came in from Michael's and it was just all wrong. It was not like the listing, and I didn't want to deal with a review, so I just went and found him something. I actually didn't find anything at Michael's and had to go to Joann's, but while I was at Michael's, I got some markers. So got a bunch of Tombos and a backup of my green gray Jelly Roll Moonlight. I love this pen so much. I use it in my Moxie Life companion notebooks, and it fits, like, matches perfectly. It's just the perfect pen. It's so smooth, and the color is just like an exact match to the Moxie Life gray. And I got some Tombos, so let's just go through these. I just grabbed some that I don't have colors of, and I just wanted to expand my collection a little bit. I have a full jar of them and some more. I just don't have them in here, but I wanted to just add a few more because I have noticed that I'm missing some colors. So this one right here, this brick red, is $8.37. Then I've got this orange one, $9.05. It's like a bright orange, and I'm excited to use this for Halloween. This purple, $6.76, really pretty, like a deep, it's got a bit of a pink tone in it, really, really pretty. And then this pretty purple, $6.03. This is just a color that I was totally drawn to. This yellow is a little bit lighter than what I have. It's like the color of butter, and it is $9.91. This green, it's like a Kelly green, $2.96. And then this green is a really pretty, like, leafy green, and it is $1.77. So I don't have any of these colors yet, but I'm excited to try these out, and you'll see them, I'm sure, in future Plan With Me's. These pens are new to me. I can't remember who showed these. I don't remember, but I just decided to try them out because I love pens, and I have been like ride or die for the Pentel Energel. This one right here. I love this pen, but these I just wanted to try out, and they're really good. The thing about these that are different from my Energels is that they write black over whiteout, which is interesting to me because the Energels, it like turns it light gray, and I don't really love that. So these are great, super smooth, and I really like them. I don't know if I'm going to replace my Energels with these. I don't know yet. I'm still trying them out, but they are just awesome. So really, really great pens. These are the Uniball 207. I got them on Amazon. I'll leave the link, as always, for everything down below, but they're just awesome so far, and I'll give you updates in future videos as I use them more. Bullet journal or use these on Instagram, and I just kind of fell in love with them. I knew that they had like an original pack with 8, and this pack I had never seen before, and it's just gonna be perfect for my teacher planner and my whole color scheme in there. And I'm gonna take these to work, and they're just gonna stay there because, again, perfect match for my color scheme in that planner. I do have a recent update video if you want to check that out. I will try to remember to link it in the description for you, but I just think these are going to be great in there, and they're just really, really pretty colors. So here are the darker shades, and then here are the lighter shades. They're very much like makeup names, but I think they're going to be gorgeous. So excited to try these out, and I will give you an update in one of my future teacher planner videos. Last thing to show you here is a notebook from Notebook Therapy. They reached out to me on Instagram, and they asked if I would like to try one of their notebooks, and I've been following them forever. So I was like, yeah, sure. And I love when brands are like, no strings attached, do what you want with it. So I'm going to take this to school and either use it myself or give it to one of my planner club kids. They let me pick the color, and it's so pretty, like really, really soft fabric and little gold embossing, really cute. Little heart. Here's the back. And then if you open it up, it has a gold spine, and then it has a little note at the front. You can put your name on there, and then it's just a dot grade journal. The paper is really thick, which I love. This would just be a dream to write on. It's just really, really pretty paper. Super smooth, very much like the Moxie Life paper, but a little thicker. It has a couple of ribbons here to mark your page. It's a really simple notebook, but it's just great. I really like it. The back has a little pocket you can put stuff into. Ooh, there's a little paper clip in there. That's really cute. I like that a lot. And then a little elastic band you can use to keep it closed if you're traveling with it or something. But I really like this. The cover is so soft. I love the fabric of it. Beautiful. So that is from Notebook Therapy. And that is everything for this haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I will see you next time. Bye.